Hey guys, just a beautiful fall night here. Decided to hop down to the stream, catch a couple brown trout, or try to anyways. It's nice, river's nice and low. Pick out the little pools, and weeds are finally starting to die off so you can walk the creek a little easier, but still got my waders just in case you gotta get in the water. So let's see if I can get some on cam for you. Oh, just missed one. Right under that tree. Little pecker. Oh, money. Here we go. On! Oh yeah! Cool. He was sitting right there. Oh, it's nice brown. Yeah, look at those dark fall colors. Holy. That is a gorgeous fish. Let's see here, guys. Gorgeous, darkening up for the fall. That is a great fish. Let's get him back. Second cast, third cast. Trout on. Gonna be a good night. One little tip for you guys here is when I'm wading these little small creeks, I'm always wading up current. Doesn't take much to spook these fish out of their little pools. Get a little sediment in there, they won't be biting, so I make sure I go upstream. Stop quite a ways in front of the pools. I know where all the pools are that I want to fish, so I'm just gonna zip up here now before it gets too dark and huck some spinners. Huh. Go a little deeper. Oh, look at this. The things you find, eh? Stick him up here. Oh, just had another one. Realized that the GoPro was not on. But gonna move up to my favorite stretch here, put on my favorite Panther Martin, and I have a feeling we're gonna have a couple more on cam for you guys, so keep watching. Well, this is one of my favorite spots. When I make the video, I'm gonna throw a little clip in. I caught a pretty nice one here the other day when I was out. It's my only one of the night though, so I didn't make a video. Oh, got one following. He swirled at it. Oh! Anyways, you'll see me haul a nice one out of here. Hopefully another nice one tonight. On. Oh, I think this is a creek chub. Oh, little baby trout. Look at this. Nice to see he's hungry. These fish just completely gorgeous at this time of year. Aggressive little fish, this species. Right back in the water. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Nice fish, nice fish. Beautiful fish. Look at this. Beautiful browns in this stream. Got their awesome fall colors. Back he goes. Let's catch a couple more. How pretty this fish is. Well, she's getting a little bit dark for my liking. Don't seem to catch too many once the sun sets, so got a little bit of a hike back to the truck and then start walking. Got a couple off camera. That sucks, but hopefully it makes a decent video. So enjoy, guys. Have a good one.